Every year around April, a lot of CPAs get the same question. Can you make my tax bill smaller? And what they're really asking is, can you just wave a wand and go, hocus pocus, tax bill is gone? I hate to break it to you, your CPA is not a magician. Quick context before we go any further. I am a dental CPA and I work with multiple dental practices providing bookkeeping and tax services. On this channel, we share practical tips to help dentists increase profits and reduce taxes. Not theory, not hype, and definitely not magic tricks. And after seeing hundreds of tax returns, I can confidently tell you this: lower taxes are an ongoing process, not an April 15th miracle. There's this idea that April 15th is tax season. Like taxes show up once a year. You wrestle them for a few weeks and then they disappear. That is not how it works. By the time you're filing a return, the income is already earned. The expenses already happened. The tax bill is basically locked in. April 15th isn't planning. It's reporting what already happened. I think a lot of dentists think that planning looks like this. What if I buy something real quick? Can't I just write that off? Did we miss any deductions? There has to be something that we can do. That's not tax planning, that's panic. No amount of last-minute spending in April creates a brand new tax strategy. Real tax planning is way less exciting. There's no smoke, no mirrors, no cape. What it is forecasting income before the year ends, running tax projections during the year, making decisions before money is spent, adjusting as numbers change. Lower taxes come from process, not tricks. And I understand why dentists fall for the magic idea. Dentists are busy professionals. If cash is flowing, taxes feel like a future problem until suddenly they're a very present problem. And that's when the hope kicks in. There has to be a magical move. There's just planning or reacting. And reacting is always more expensive. Here's what actually lowers taxes over time: choosing the right entity structure, paying yourself correctly, timing income and expenses intentionally, reviewing numbers every now and then, coordinating bookkeeping with tax strategy. It's boring, it's repetitive, and it's ongoing, but it works. So let's clear this up once and for all. Lower taxes are not a magic trick. They don't happen at the last minute, and they definitely don't happen on April 15th. There is no hocus pocus tax bill gone. There is only planning. If you want more real-world tips to increase profits and reduce taxes for dentists, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.